Kaya alamin natin ang istorya.
Na-idol ko yung father ko, cause seaman din siya. So, nung bata ko, gusto ko rin siya maging seaman. Kaso, may deficiency ako. I was a colorblind person, so hindi ako basta-basta makasakay. Dad, malayo ka man. Alam ko na iniisip niyo pa rin ho kami at sana ho, wag ho kayo mag-alala kasi safe naman ho kami rito. At thank you ho sa lahat ng effort na binigay niyo sa amin para makapagtapos kami magkakapatid. Gusto ko and I love you pa.
Juggling his talent to perfection, please welcome Mark Lester Sumong, the Pinoy Sphere player. First time ang talentadong Pinoy. Mark, dito ka sa akin tabi. Pare, intense yung pag-iisip mo, Yani, na-hypnotize ka ba?
Mark, tanggalin mo muna yung maskara. Tanggal na ba? Sorry. Alam mo, maganda yung konsepto.
Okay.
Hindi, kala ko kasi hindi mo natatanggal.
Sama mo naman.
Hindi, maganda yung konsepto. Maganda yung gusto niyang iparating sa tao. Kakaiba yung talento nga pinakita niya. Pero sana mas binigyan niya kami nung hindi namin akalaing magagawa niya doon sa Sphere. Yung talagang, wow! Grabe! Nagawa niya yon. Wala pa akong nakitang spectacular na pwede niya pang gawin. Marami pa sana eh. Nakita ko, halos parang paulit-ulit na lang. Ganun at ganun na lang ginagawa. Pero maganda yung konsepto mo. Congratulations.
Thank you, Yani. Mo.
You know, it's nice to see ang babata ng mga performers natin today. We can see that, the young Pinoys are really doing a lot of great showmanship stuff, no? Maganda yung mystery with the mask. It's a nice touch to it. Pero yun nga, like what Bayani said, it was lacking something spectacular. It started very good. Maganda yung music sa una, but kailangan, I think, maybe a change in music in the middle to hypen up everything kasi medyo nagiging redundant nga to a point where it's almost hypnotic, which is nice, but not for the long run. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Mo. Direk, it's something new on the stage.
Ako, I really appreciated, ako, konti ng konti, no? I appreciated the subtlety of the act. I mean, the whole point of that kind of juggling act is not, all fireworks lang na talagang tapon ng tapon. I like the fact that it was hypnotic. I like the fact that it was repetitious and it was doing all these subtle things. That's what made, to me, made it a very good act. We have a choreographer like Alfred there in the back in the jury. I mean, maybe with a little bit more choreography to put into this thing would have really made it magical. Last week, pinagsama natin ng mga beatboxers at saka mga rap. Let's put all the yo-yo, the ball acts and stuff like this put together. It's going to be a fantastic number.
All right. Thank you very much, Direk. Salamat, Talent Scouts. Mark, ang importante, pasado ka sa kortina. Tingnan natin mamaya sa desisyon ng jury kung pasado ka rin sa panlasa nila. Thank you very much, Mark. Nicolo, what do you think?
Tita Ryan, okay naman siya, kaya lang parang kaya ko rin yung ginagawa niya eh.
Wow!
Paano magagawa yan? Kamay mo nga, lambot-lambot.
Hindi naman ako tinatatakas, Tito Anlo. Kaya ko yun kung matigas kanay ko.
Okay, tama nga naman siya. Okay, anyway, dalawa pang talentado ang susubukang ma-impress ang ating judges, kaya abangan ninyo sila sa pagbabalik ng pinakaabangan talent show ng Pilipinas, ang Talentadong Pinoy.